how to sign up or log into your Revolut account. If you'd like to either sign up or create an account or log into your existing Revolut account, it is quite simple to do that actually. All you have to do is launch the Revolut app first of all. Now, if you don't have an account right when you launch the Revolut app, you want to see the sign up button highlighted in white color right from here. Then just enter the mobile number that you want to log in with or create an account with. So just go ahead and then basically make sure you enter that. And once done, you can just tap on the sign up button right here. It will send a verification code to this mobile number where you have to simply make sure to enter the verification code, follow up with the instructions like choosing email, name and other account information to create a Revolut account. Now, however, if you already have an account, by the way, you can instead tap on the login button, and there are many ways to log in. You can log in with phone, you can log in with email, or you can log in with Google. So if you have verified or linked also with your Google account, you can simply select the Google account option right here. And once you've done that, you will simply be able to go ahead and then sign in to your Revolut account right here. So you can tap on this option, and once done, you'll be able to log in, or you can choose to enter your phone number and password manually and also log into your Revolut account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.